Welcome to this video, everybody. It's Tapang, and I will be doing a walkthrough and technical description of my code for Codelab-2. Nowadays, I'm planning to clarify how I built a straightforward Pokédex using Python, Thinker, and the Poké API. With this app, you'll be able to look at any Pokemon by name or ID, get more information about it, and needed includes your favorite Pokemon to the list. In this video, I will show you all the highlights and clarify how they are done with assistance of code. So let's get started. Here's what the app looks like. It has three fundamental segments: the home, about, and favorite. At the top, you'll have a road button that permits you to move between pages. The home page is where you'll spend most of your time seeking out the Pokemon and their data. To begin with all of this, I will clarify the libraries that will be utilized to make the app. The primary one is the Thinker, a standard Python library for making graphical clients. Sometimes recently hopping into the app itself, let me privately clarify that there are libraries we utilize to construct it. To begin with the client inputs the title ID into the look box when they hit search. Those and the list of API, Poke API to get information about the Pokemon. Here's the co here's the code that produces it and makes the Pokemon's name or ID from the input field shapes a URL. It makes a GET request to the API on the off chances that the request is effective. We get a JSON reference that contains all the data approximately of that Pokemon. On the, on the off chance that their blunder, such as invalid title or the ID app shows a mistake message. When the information is effective, brought to another step, showing the apps shows the Pokemon title, ID, sort, capacities, and pictures of the Pokemon. For illustration, let's search for Pikachu. Its ID sorts like electric and has static and lightning rod as its abilities. Of course, there's a blunder taken care of as well. On the off chance that the client doesn't enter a substantial Pokemon title message, telling them to this message, please enter a name or ID. The difference guarantee a smooth client encounter and avoids the app from spamming. One of the coolest highlights of the app is the capacity that includes in the top pick. After you discover a Pokemon you cherish, you'll be able to tap include to favorite, and the app will keep it. The title, the title of the Pokemon gets included in the list top picks. So let's search Mewtwo. Mm, you can add it to favorite. Let's go move on to the favorite thing. This will shows all the Pokemon included in the top picks list. The list that appears for each uh, favorite Pokemon by title. This highlight makes a difference if you keep track of your top choices of Pokemon for a simple get to afterwards. The About page may be a bit of a fun extension to the app. It gives a few essential data, approximately the app itself, like the adaptation and briefly description of how it works. It's a decent way to show off the app's usefulness and gives the client an understanding of of what they're working with. Let's take a fast look at the code that says the upper user interface. The format is being direct. There's a bit outline that holds the root button, homepage, and favorite. Each page, just like the homepage or favorite page, could be outlined that's shown or covered based on the client. The navigation bars are connected to capacity that appearing on the comparing page click when it clicks the home. App shows the homepage covering the others. The same goes around the favorite buttons. They could overseen by packing and unloading the outlines, which could be a straightforward but very viable way to switch between pages in Thingitter. At long last, we have portion that runs the app. At the essential foot of the script, we have the root primary server. This line begins the Thingitter occasion circle, which gives the app and the response without failure. The window would open and the box would be closed. And that's the walkthrough of the Pokemon of the API, Pokédex API. I just need to find the breakdown from the dating that gives you a thought of how it opens up this app utilizes thinking and outside API. There's a bunch of room for enhancement, including more highlights, moving forward the UI, or indeed putting away the top pick this preference and considered outcomes. And thank you.